Okay, so good day, still Drone PH. So we are here again for range test with our DJI Neo. So we will try in this area, okay? So by the way, we have the new update, the version 1.15.1. I think it support the DJI Air 3S, okay, and the DJI RC2. But we will check here. Finally, our RC entry arrived. So that we will check the range for the first time, okay? So this is our Neo. So we will try the CE apps. Okay, so this is our version 1.15.1. So updated maybe 2 days. We will using the iPhone in this range, okay?
Take off.
So let's go and test the range. Let's go.
Return to home.
Okay, so we got only 1,500 meters, guys, with this range. So I think the signal is still stable. Okay, it depends only about the battery of Neo. So maybe we will try next time about the FCC apps. Okay, so let's go home. Okay, so our DJI Neo is arrived safe. We reached only about 1,500 meters. Okay, in my Mini 2 before is about 3,000 meters. Hopefully soon we will find the modified better and bigger battery with our Neo. So that's only guys the test. First range test with the DJI Neo with the version 1.15.1. So that's the end of our test guys with this DJI Neo. So the return to home is good. So maybe next time we will try the FCC apps, okay, with the range also. So that's only guys. Thanks again for always supporting. See you and bye bye.